Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to write YouTube scripts faster with a simple step-by-step process. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank page, you'll learn how to turn one clear idea into a full script in just a few prompts. We'll go through the exact structure, how to guide the AI, how to refine the result, and how to make the script sound natural for YouTube. By the end, you'll have a repeatable system you can use for faceless videos, educational content, and business videos. Let's get started. If you create YouTube content, you already know the problem. Writing a script takes time, structure is hard to get right, and the intro often feels too weak or too generic. You start with one idea, then search for examples, then rewrite the same lines again and again, and before long the whole process becomes frustrating. This is exactly where AI can help. It can cut the time by 70 to 80% while still letting you stay in control of the topic, tone, and message. AI should not replace your ideas. It should handle the repetitive work so you can focus on the content that matters. If you want a useful script, you need to tell the AI three things: the topic, the audience, and the goal. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a script," say something like, "Write a YouTube script about AI tools for small businesses aimed at freelancers and coaches, with the goal of saving time and explaining the process simply." That is much better because the AI has context. The more specific you are, the more usable the first draft will be. This is the foundation of the whole workflow, so keep it simple, direct, and clear.
Eight to 10-minute duration, faceless format, and AI tools focus.
Once you send the prompt, the AI gives you a rough draft. Don't expect it to be perfect on the first try. Your job is to check the structure, the length, and the tone. A good YouTube script usually has a strong intro, a clear body, and a short outro. For an 8 to 10-minute video, you usually want around 800 to 1200 words, depending on your speaking speed. If the tone feels too formal, ask the AI to make it more conversational. If it's too long, ask it to shorten it. This is where AI becomes useful as a writing assistant, not just a text generator. After that, adapt the script for YouTube. The first 10 to 15 seconds matter the most, so the hook needs to be strong. You want to give people a reason to keep watching immediately. Then break the video into clear sections with smooth transitions, so the viewer always knows where they are in the video. Add simple signposts like first, next, and finally, to keep the flow easy to follow. Also make sure the script includes natural pauses, because YouTube narration sounds better when it feels like a real person speaking. Short sentences, clear wording, and a steady rhythm all help retention.
We use smart algorithms to figure out the best ways to move things around. This makes everything run smoother and saves a lot of time.
The final step is the polish. Read the script aloud or use the AI to preview it, and remove filler words like very,
The text dynamically
really,
reflows
and basically.
into digestible segments.
Make
We've
sure
added
every
subtle blue
section has a
markers to
clear
highlight
purpose.
The natural breakpoints in the spoken
One section
dialogue.
can explain the problem, another can show the solution, and another can summarize the result. Then add a proper outro with a call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe, leave a comment, or watch the next video. That keeps the channel active and gives you a stronger structure overall. Once you get used to this process, writing scripts becomes much faster and much easier. To recap, the fastest way to use AI for YouTube scripts is simple. First, write a clear prompt with the topic, audience, and goal. Second, get the first draft and check the structure, length, and tone. Third, adapt it for YouTube with a strong
As you
hook,
can see, the
smooth
waveform
transitions, and
visualization
natural
matches
pauses.
the conversational speech pattern
Fourth,
precisely,
add examples to
highlighting
make the
each word
script
in
feel more
sequence.
real and useful. Fifth, polish the script by removing filler words and adding a clear outro. If you follow these steps, you can turn a rough idea into a full script in minutes instead of hours. That means less stress, better videos, and a much faster workflow. If this process helps you, you can use it again for almost any type of content. Faceless videos, tutorials, product explainers, business guides, and educational videos all work with the same basic structure. The key is to give AI enough context so it can help without taking over your voice. Think of it as a system. You bring the idea, AI handles the draft, and you shape the final version. That is the smartest way to work with it. Once you learn this, you can create more content, stay consistent, and spend less time stuck at the beginning of every script. Thanks for watching. If you want, you can use this exact workflow on your next video and see how much time it saves. Try it with a simple topic first, then improve your prompts step by step as you go. The more you use the system, the better your scripts will become. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. See you in the next one.